How to find your Wise IBAN number. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will have to log into your Wise account. You can do this on the website or the mobile app. You just gotta enter your login credentials. Then you will go to balances. Once you have logged in on the website, you will click on home or balances from the sidebar. On the mobile app, you will have to tap on accounts or your active currency balance. Then we will select the currency euro for IBAN. IBANs are typically tied to euro balances because IBANs are used for European payments. So if you don't already have an European payment, you will click on open a balance and then choose euro. Once the euro balance is open, click on it. View your account details. Inside the European balance, you will see an option called Get Account Details. That's where you will be able to find your IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code. So these are the example formats that I'm showing you currently, and you can do it on the mobile app as well. You will go to your European balance, tap on account details. Your IBAN and BIC will be displayed under the international or local section. So that's where you do it, or that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.